Security compliance started as a business a couple of years ago where it was a passion of myself on how to cure small goods. So I started chatting with Ryan, who's the local butcher at Carter's Ridge, and from there we discovered there was an opportunity to digitise all the compliance that a butcher has to do to meet the requirements of state regulators. Bryton Wishart, and I'm one of the co-founders of Cure Compliance, and we're a startup based in the Murray Valley up in Queensland.
So my name's Ryan Rob, and I'm a co-founder of Cure Compliance in the Murray Valley. Started working together trying to help myself, my butchering business, which was struggling with paperwork. We were doing an awful lot of paperwork for compliance to keep the regulators happy, and then through creating digitalisation, we've actually been able to eliminate all the paperwork digitally or remotely as well.
The inspiration behind developing Cure Compliance was how could we take, some of the manual tasks that butchers do day in, day out around compliance and streamline those and digitise those into a process that either it was an always-on type compliance experience for them, where we're using things like IoT sensors to record temperatures, cooking probes to bring that all back into a single place. So instead of somebody manually having to fill out paperwork day in, day out, we could have this streamlined process that also acts and provides a way of traceability. Is using hardware on site, it needs a stable core network that can handle that data and that live streaming data back into the cloud. So without the NBN for regional areas, it just wasn't feasible. The connectivity was not there.
So the NBN allows us to capture data live, store that for us for future use. Without the NBN, we literally would have to go back to pen and paper.
All that data, it needs a solid backbone that continues to send that data up into our cloud platform. So without a good, strong, core, reliable network, you're struggling, especially in regional areas where traditionally the larger players didn't want to, it was too expensive to provide reliable service.
Moving forwards, Bryton and I both want to create digital compliance app for the whole chain, like from farmers right through to end users, and have the traceability aspect all the way through.
We're able to improve productivity of a butcher shop. Every small town in Australia normally has a butcher, and being able to support those butchers to either be more productive or give them more time to spend with their family from a social benefit is a huge win for the regional areas.